Welcome channel. Dislike women, Sri Dveshi, misogynist, misogynist, in the pathologically interested, Hambhavi, egomancy, egomanic, study of development of human race, anthropologist, is an expert on insects. Is called anthologist.